Whether you're starting a code page or don't want to show your face while creating content and want unique images for your avatar, or simply need visuals to enhance your posts, just like the one on the screen, this tool makes it easy to design professional graphics in minutes. Come check it out with me and see how simple it is to take your content to the next level. Hey there, I'm Ikane and I share information on how to make money online and the tools I use. The tool name is called Nano Banana. I know it's funny, but well, the people are using this name. Um, this is the Google's image generation and editing model, and it is formally called as Gemini 2.5 plus image. Now, the key features of this Nano Banana are one, high quality edits and image generation. Two, you can upload photos and make targeted edits with natural language like changing background, outfits, hairstyle, combining multiple photos, etc. Three, it aims to maintain character consistency. If a photo has a person or pet, preserving licenses across edits so things look more realistic. And the final one, it includes watermarks, a visible one and invisible digital marker synth ID to show it's AI generated. We'll simply go to Google and then we will log in. I have an account with them, so let's simply log in. We will try this tool. A lot of people are talking about this tool. I haven't used it yet, so we're going to try this together to see what it can produce. Okay, so this is the homepage or interface of this tool, Google Gemini. Okay, this is the menu. Once you click menu, it will display all the features of this. Now, as you can see right now, you cannot find Nano Banana AI on this screen. So now you can find this one here, Gemini 2.5 Flash. So I would say the other name of No Banana is simply Gemini 2.5. So we are going to use this Gemini 2.5 Flash. It's free, but you can also upgrade to use the more advanced features of it. Okay, so I've prepared a prompt which I'm going to use to make things faster. Now we're just going to play around with it to see how it can create images. So is this okay? Word. I just copy this one. I try to make it fast. Okay. Now if you compare ChatGPT with this tool, this one is faster than ChatGPT. So let's just paste this prompt here. A beautiful young woman from Sepik, okay, with traditional attire. So I will just type create, create this image and also show more. More. Okay, let's see. So once you're done, simply go there and tap create. So here, as you can see, uh, the tool is creating the image now. And yeah, that's the image. Yeah. Okay, so this is the image of this young lady here, but the the villas is not like CPIC villas. So we are going to change that. We will try to see if we can change that. Okay, so we will simply come here, add files, and we're going to upload some photos. Okay, so here it will open this. We're going to open the document together. I have the screenshot of the balloon. So I'll upload it first. Okay, here's the balloon there. And I'll upload the grass cat. So let's just try this to see if we can change the things up. I'm in the office. This is our lunch break and I'm doing this. Anyways, let's begin. Well, that's the grass cat there. So I will simply tell the Nano Banana to change the images. Okay, replace, re, replace the chest when with the BI below this with so mm, replace the with the views grass. Okay, I'm done with the prompt here, so I'll simply tap this one to submit. Let's just wait and see how it will come up with this image. Uh, okay, but it's not perfectly. So I'm going to replace the clothes again. So I'll tell it, well, this is the data now. So you can continue to play around with the image to create different. So I'm going to ask it to change this. We change, make a way is blue blouse. And let's see. You can continue to prompt it and then it will change. But the features of that lady will remain the same. So if you are trying to create your avatar in different scene or in different clothes, you can simply go and prompt it, and then it will do that. Like this one, it's there, but it didn't remove the film anyway. She looks great. Okay, so that's the first one. I have another prompt which I'm going to use. Okay, so let's see. So you can continue to play with the edit the prompts and then continue to do that to change the uh, pressing or the place the person lives in. You can do that. I'm just trying this thing out. So let's paste another prompt here. Okay. Create this in create this. Okay, that's another one with a handsome man with small dark skin and short mid hair. Let's see if it can generate this for us. Okay, we'll just wait for it to generating. Okay, let's check the image out. So that's the image. So this is how you use Nano Banana to create image. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.